An open-ended mercury manometer is used to measure the pressure exerted by a trapped gas as shown in the figure. Initially, the manometer shows no difference in mercury levels in both the columns, as shown in the diagram. After sparkling, A dissociates according to the following reaction. A forms B plus 3C. If pressure of gas A decreases to 0.9 atm, then assume the pressure to be constant and temperature to be 300 Kelvin. Now, since initially when only gas A was there is no difference in the mercury levels, it implies that the pressure at this point is equal to the pressure at this point, that is the pressure due to the gas. So the pressure of A initially is 1 atm, right? Now we have the reaction A forms B plus 3C. Initially the pressure of A was 1 atm. Now they are saying that after the reaction the pressure decreases to 0.9 atm, which implies that 1 minus 0.1, which is 0.9. For this, 0.1 moles of B will be formed, giving a pressure corresponding to 0.1 atm. And similarly for C there will be a 3 times 0.1 atm. So if we add all three, we have a 1.3 atm pressure inside the container now after the reaction. So initially the pressure was 1 atm and now the pressure is 1.3 atm. So the total pressure has increased to 1.3 atm. So the statement 1 is correct. Total pressure increases by 0.3 atm. So the final pressure is 1.3 and the initial was 1. So the increase is by 0.3 atm. So statement 2 is also correct. The total pressure increases by 22.3 centimeters of mercury. Now let's see what 0.3 atm corresponds to. We know that 1 atm corresponds to 76 centimeters. So 0.3 atm would correspond to 76 into 0.3, which is 22.8 centimeters of mercury. So option C is not really correct, right? Then we have option D, which says difference in the mercury level is 228 millimeters. Now since the pressure difference is corresponding to 22.8 centimeters, or this can be said as 228 millimeters, it implies that now the difference in the level would be a 228 millimeter, right, to account for the increase in pressure. So statement B is also correct. So the correct statements for this question are A, B and D.